Buying a home is a major decision, and one of the first choices is whether to go with something newer or consider an older property. Older homes offer space, character, and craftsmanship, but they also come with their own set of challenges. Let's break down the key advantages and drawbacks so you can make the best decision for your needs. Advantages of older homes. There are plenty of reasons why buyers seek out older homes. Here are some of the major benefits. More land. Many older homes sit on larger lots, giving homeowners more space for a garden, an ADU, or simply extra privacy, something that's hard to find with newer builds. Solid construction and high-quality materials. Many older homes were built with materials such as real hardwood floors, plaster walls, and custom millwork, features that can be expensive to replicate today. Mature landscaping. Unlike new developments where trees are barely past sapling stage, older neighborhoods are often full of mature trees and well-established greenery, adding both beauty and shade. Competitive pricing and negotiation power. Older homes can sometimes be priced more competitively than new construction, and there's often more room for negotiation, especially if updates are needed. Prime locations. Many older properties are in well-established areas with easy access to shopping, dining, and top-rated schools, offering convenience that new developments may lack. Drawbacks of older homes. While older homes have charm, there are also factors to consider before making a decision. Maintenance and repairs. Outdated plumbing, older electrical systems, and aging roofs can lead to unexpected repair costs. A thorough inspection is key. Energy efficiency. Many older homes lack modern insulation, have single-pane windows, or outdated HVAC systems, all of which can mean higher energy bills unless upgrades are made. Outdated layouts. Open concept designs weren't common in older homes, so if you prefer large, connected spaces, renovations may be necessary. Limited storage. Closets, kitchen storage, and garage space in older homes tend to be smaller, which may be a drawback for those needing more room for organization. Potential renovation costs. If updates are required, renovation expenses can add up quickly, especially if major systems need to be brought up to code. Who should consider an older home? Choosing between an older home and a new one comes down to priorities. If character, space, and craftsmanship are high on the list and minor repairs aren't a concern, an older home might be a great fit. On the other hand, if efficiency, modern design, and minimal upkeep are the goal, new construction may be the better choice. Every home buyer has different priorities, and there's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're looking to buy or sell, I want to be there every step of the way to make the process smooth and strategic. Contact me today for a consultation. For more real estate insights, market trends, and lifestyle content, subscribe and stay connected. Until next time.